Hello everyone, welcome to this video. If you have an action in Blender that you want to repeat it, there's an easy solution for it. Here, I have a jumping cube that jumps only once. To repeat it, first I select it, then I select the channel that I want its action to repeat. Then I go to Sidebar panel, Modifiers tab, and here I'm going to add a modifier. Cycles modifier. I do for the Z scale channel as well. And you can see that the action's being repeated. But if you want to pause after each time the action's been done, select the last keyframes, duplicate them, and move them forward on the timeline. But let's say you want the action to repeat for only 2 times. And here you can see that there's before count and after count. 0 means infinity. But I want it to be 2. So I'm going to set the after count to 2. This is the action itself. Repeat, repeat. So you can see that it's been repeated for only 2 times. Set the before count 2. Repeat, action itself, another copy of the action, and again. And this is it. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.